Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable step. Diagnose gaps in algebra and mechanics. You should spend 20-40 minutes testing weak spots and catalog them. Once done, choose one focused 30-60 minute block per day and open a problem set. You do this because small, frequent practice builds recall. Make sure to alternate theory reading with 1-2 solved problems. This jumpstarts momentum and prevents vague planning from delaying real progress. You now move into sustained practice. First, read a short derivation to see the logic, then replicate it without notes. Once you can reproduce steps, solve 3 related problems of increasing difficulty to expose edge cases. Make sure to connect math tools to physics meaning, for example, why a derivative models rate of change. You keep a 1-page summary per topic showing core formulas and when to apply them. This saves time later and clarifies decisions under exam pressure. You finish by simulating exam conditions. Pick mixed problems, set a timer, and work without notes to reveal real weaknesses. After each session, classify mistakes into concept gaps, algebra slips, or time errors and create a focused plan to fix the top 2. If progress stalls, seek targeted help. One short tutoring session or a micro-lesson focused on a single concept often breaks plateaus. A final tip: when stuck, backtrack to the simplest form of the problem to rebuild intuition quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.